Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Know you want to see my beautiful face early in the morning. I wouldn't want to see it either. I'm headed back to the shop. We just went to the bus. I'm going to pull in the shop. We're going to show you some new product from a company called AUXITO. I think that's what it's called. I'm not quite exactly sure. It's a company that reached out to me to do some reviews on some products of theirs. And they sent me some headlights for my Yaris here to give a review on. So when I get back here in the shop, I'm gonna get things cleaned up just a little bit. And woo, yep. And I'm gonna get things cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll go over the product. Look at my hair. I ain't even got no hair, and it's already messed up. We'll go over the product, and then we'll get them installed in the car, and I'll give you guys an honest review. I really don't know how to do this review stuff, so everything that you see here in this video is going to be 100% genuine. There's going to be no favors, no nothing. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. If they're bright, they're bright. If they're not, they're not. So give me a couple minutes, and I guess the heat turned on out here, and we'll go over and see what they look like. Alright guys, what's up? The weather's warmed up now. Got some heat here in the shop. I've got the GoPro set up. I'm going to do a unboxing, what comes in the box. This is from a company called AUXITO. Sorry if I'm butchering that, but that's the best I know to pronounce it. It comes with the harnesses and the bulbs, which I'll turn the GoPro now on, and we'll go ahead and pull those out of the box. Let's see. You open the box, you've got the gloves, you've got the manual, and I'm only going to touch the mounting ring, but you've got the bulbs. Put that back in and get a good shot on the GoPro with that. The bulbs themselves, they look super high quality. It's very nice, they're clean. I'm going to put my glove on. I feel like damn Michael Jackson over here. Let's see. Now I can't even grip the bulb. Pull the bulb out, as you can see. Let me get to the right side where the camera is. Focus, focus. It's got the branding on the bulb it's housing. Looks like it's got 4 LEDs, 2 directional, 2 that just kind of go out into the housing. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show. It's got fans built in on the lower side here, it looks like. You've got the plug. I'll put that back down. We've got the ballast here. You've got an in. It's backwards because I'm using forward-facing camera. But you've got an in and an out. This one's going to plug into your factory harness. This one's going to plug into your light. This one's going to plug into the factory harness. And it looks very simple as far as putting them in. I'm going to move over to the car now and see about getting these in. And then we'll get an honest review once it gets dark outside. I've got some footage from the other night of what the factory headlights look like driving down the road. And then once we get that little bit of footage, I'll get this uploaded to you guys, but give me a few minutes and move over to the car. Here's a comparison between the factory light and the AUXITO LED. Very substantial difference, as you can see. So let's get them in the car and see what they look like. Alright guys, so we got passenger side in. We're going to turn it on. Driver side is factory bulb. Passenger side is the AUXITO. There's the running lights.
Oh man, what a significant difference.
That's low beam. There's high beam. Low beam. High beam. I'll look around and see what they look like.
Big difference.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Those will be going on camping, right?
You see, you've got the more whitish to the more yellowish. Alright, so as you guys can see, we've got both sides done. Got our ballast, or not exactly sure what those pieces are called. I know with HIDs they're called ballast, but got those wired in, a little zip tied up out the way on both sides. So tonight when it's dark out, we'll go to the same spot I drove with the factory headlights. We'll make a quick comparison of the two, and then I will get this video out to you guys so you can see what they're all about. As of now, I am completely satisfied. I can already tell the difference just by being inside the shop with the lights on, as far as the output that they will have and the clarity in the lights. But let's let the sun go down, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, what's up? It's been a couple days since I put the actual headlights in the car. I wanted to get a good feel for them before I gave you guys the review or how I felt about them. Honestly, it's some of the best lights I've ever put in a vehicle. I mean, the output is amazing. I'll give you guys a good view of them here real quick. This is the low beams. I don't think that I have turned the high beams on since I put them in the car. And I mean, my headlights aren't pointed up at all. I mean, you can see the cutoff. So I'll give you guys a taste of the high beams here in just a second. Definitely some of the best quality bulbs. I'll turn the high beams on now so you can see the other side of the earth. I mean, as you guys can see, these things reach on out there. I mean, of course, you know, I'm going downhill now, but as soon as they level out, you pretty much see everything in front of you. If you were looking for some headlights for your vehicle, I would definitely click that link in the description, put in my code, and get yourself a nice little discount. Be sure to share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.